Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your LEDGER Nano S Plus to a mobile phone. First of all, you'll need to get the app, which is LEDGER Live. Once you have it, you can see I have it opened. And unfortunately, this won't work on iPhones. There is LEDGER Live app for iPhones and it works with most LEDGER devices like LEDGER Stacks, LEDGER Flex or LEDGER Nano X, but unfortunately it does not work with LEDGER Nano S Plus. So you'll need to use either Android phone or watch a video on how to connect it with a PC, and it can be connected with any type of PC. It can be Windows, Mac OS or Linux, but for phones it's only Android. Now I'm gonna click on access your wallet because I have it already set, and I think that's the best option to first set it up manually, then connect it later, because honestly, setting up with the app doesn't do anything at all. And there's a video, by the way, on how to set up the device. So let's select access your wallet. Now I'm gonna select the connect to LEDGER option. I'm gonna allow some connections. And you can see Nano S and LEDGER Nano S Plus can be connected only with a USB cable, and probably that's the reason why it does not work with iPhones. So I just get my USB-C to USB-C cable, because you can see the phone also has USB-C. So yeah, I'll get back shortly. Now let's unplug the LEDGER. You can see it turns off because it doesn't have a battery inside. Now I'm just gonna place it right here, and let's plug it into the phone now. Have it plugged in, you can see. Now let's unlock it and we'll see if it works. It won't work with all phones because sometimes the phone just won't handle it. So you can enable the option to always open LEDGER Live when Nano S Plus is connected, so whenever you plug it in, then it'll automatically open the LEDGER Live. I think it's cool. I'll leave it opened, then OK. And now I can select my Nano S Plus, allow secure connection, and it will set everything up. You can see if I go to my LEDGER, I can select my device, it is connected, and I can do whatever I like here. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.